Time for another day of e-learning. But wait, where's Math Man? There he is, chasing down the students who don't do their e-learning.
And today for our e-learning, I just assigned one topic on Khan Academy, and it is called two-step expressions. And so two-step expressions, and I only assigned one because there's 7 questions. And so normally there's 4 questions, and then I usually assign 2. But today there's 7 questions, and it's your grade out of 7. Now some of you will notice I put grades in PowerSchool, and your grade you might be happy with or you might not be, and you can always redo them. Here's a little screenshot of some of the grades, and notice that when you get your scores right here, if they're green or yellow, those are good scores. But if you're still in the red, you should click on it again and redo those 4 questions and try to get a better score. You can pick out, there's the current ones, and then there's the past assignments. Click on the past assignments and redo them. And so don't worry about it being late or anything. You just need to get better scores on some of those things. So today I want to go through what we're going to do, and it's all, I'm going to pick some topics that are going to help you a lot next year and things that are very important that you should never forget when it comes to math. And today's topic is going to have to do with order of operations, and something hopefully you feel confident with. And please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we're going to talk about two-step expressions. And so I'm going to do a couple of problems with you. These will probably be maybe exact problems that you get. And so it says Bob tried to evaluate 12 plus 18 divided by 3. So remember, when you're doing problems like this, the old please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or PEMDAS, which means you always do parentheses first, then exponents, then you multiply and divide, and then you add and subtract. And so you always want to multiply and divide first. So in this problem, you want to divide first. But when you look at what Bob did, Bob added first. And so that was Bob's mistake. And Bob's mistake, shame on Bob, was in step 1. So we click step 1, and hopefully it will say, good job, woohoo! And then we go to the next question. And so we look at this one, and it says, evaluate the answer. And so get the sound off my face there. And so it says 38 minus 6 times 4. Well, if you do please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, you follow order of operations, you're going to multiply first. So then this is 24, and then it's 38 minus 24, and then you type in your answer, which is 14. And so I'm going to type in a 14 and show you that we got this. If you click hints, some of you are just clicking hints. You don't get any grade if you click the hints. It counts it as a 0. You need to do the problem without clicking. See step-by-step solution. You get 0s on your scores if you do that. You have to do them without the hints. The first step here, in 33 plus 46 minus 14, you add and subtract, and you go in order from left to right. And so we're going to add first. And so 33 plus 46 is the correct answer. I've done 3 problems. It hasn't taken that long. You can go back and redo 4 questions. This is not going to take hours upon hours. You just need to get this done. If you look at the next problem, Sarah tried to evaluate 21 divided by 7 times 8. Now multiply and divide, I got the sound bar across my face again. Go together. We go together like shoo-ba-da-wop-da-wop, do-do-do-do-do-do. So you don't multiply before you divide. To divide is to multiply by the reciprocal. You do them together. You just go left to right. And so you divide first, you get 3. 3 times 8 is 24. And Sarah did not make a mistake. No mistake from Sarah. And look, we got that one right. Here's another one. what should we do first? Well, add and subtract go together also. And so 144 minus 70 would give you 75, and then you add 29. And you just keep doing these. We already did 5 questions. You just have to do 7. If you like your score, you keep it. If you don't like it, redo it. But don't be hitting this hint thing every time. You get no credit. And so I think some of you are doing that. You just hit. Well, I'm done with e-learning today. No. And so do this. And so always remembering in a math problem what operation to do first is very important in every math class you'll ever take. And so I look forward to answering any of the questions you might have. Just email me and redo the old ones, and I'll fix PowerSchool, and your grade will be good. And so happy Wednesday, everybody, and enjoy your e-learning today.